countdown timer. So countdown timer is just like that. This is a festive time going on, and you will get this a lot in Amazon, Flipkart, and everywhere. Some counter is there that it will end in this time. So we are going to create something like that only for our own store. So it is going to end in this many days. So let us do this, our own Amazon counter, our own counter similar to Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, so let's do it. I hope you are able to see my screen, and let us create some file, index dot. So I have a blank folder. Okay, content time index.html, style.css, and main.js. Okay, so a blank HTML layout, and countdown timer. Let me increase the font size so that it is visible on all the screens. So this is okay, I think. And then link, the CSS file needed to be linked, and the script file also needed to be linked. Script src, this main.js, not like this, main.js. Everything is in the same folder only. So let me also open it with live server. Drink some coffee. So it is opened. Okay, so but it is not showing anything because we don't have anything. So first let us put the HTML layout, then only we'll go to the style.css. Okay, so let us do that. h1 best deals of the day dot product and then okay, so inside the product we'll have a image img issue.jpg, which we don't have yet. Let us bring that also soon. And jpg alt is shoes. Let us give the width and height here itself. Width and height here itself. Width and height is width is 400, height is 300. Okay, so how we have to bring it? So this is opened, and shoes is there. Okay, shoes is there. Now let us go here. Yeah, the shoe has been shown. Okay, so after this shoes, let us have some text. So this product tab itself is there. After that we'll have dot details. In this I will have h3 and a p tag after this. So h3 and the p tag is something which is here like this. h3, let me copy from here. h3 will be like this, and p tag, let me copy from here. So both of them are copied. Let's see. So it is looking like this. Okay, so after that we'll have a wrap tag also inside this. So this is containing inside the details only. After this p tag is over, we'll have that. Let me move the p tag a bit down. No, it's okay. So we will have a dot wrap and h3 dot offer ends in, and after that dot timer. Okay, the timer, and here we'll have the days, hours, minutes and second, like this, days, hours, minutes and seconds. We'll have that timer, and then dot base. Okay, and then span id of days underscore left. So this is a shortcut which we use, span ids of days left, and days left, and it will be 0. Okay, so after days we'll have, let's have after days hours left. Hours should be this one. Hours left, and here it should be means left, and here would be seconds, seconds, and SECS left. All of them are 0. Okay, so this is done, and let us see how it is looking. So it is looking like this, offer ends in. Okay, it is looking like this. No CSS is there. So the next thing is that we are going to do the CSS before coming to the JavaScript part, which is the main part of this our project here. Okay, so CSS we are going to do. First thing first, let us have a Google font. So we have done that, and then after that let's have the body. Font family is this one, which we have just taken, which is OSWALD, Oswald, comma sans serif, and align content is center, and text align is center, and background color is not FFF. I will take RGB 244 comma 248 comma 250. Save it, and let us go back, and it is everything is center, align content because, and text line is the center. Okay, then we'll do dot product. Dot product is nothing but the main div. So this div is the dot product, which wraps everything except the h1. So dot product is display is flex, and background color is RGB 237 comma 243 comma 243, and gap is 7 rem. So quite a big gap, so that product C, now it is getting fit, the product is getting fit. So the background is also there, nice, and the gap is a bit more. So the thing is that this product, let us see how many children this have, 1 and 2. So this has got 2 children, one is image and the other one is details. Okay, so and we have done the display flex for that, and then bit. Okay, so now what we'll do, we are going to do this wrap. We are going to do wrap display is flex, and flex direction is row. Okay, after this, save it. So it is coming like this. Okay, flex direction is because anyways, okay, so we missed something. Okay, wrap is there. Before the wrap we have to do the details, so details we missed, so let us do that before the wrap. Dot details, and it is also display flex, and flex direction is column, and margin right is 150px. Okay, anyways, this flex direction column is not required, flex direction row is not required. By default everything is row only, so let me save it. And so details we have done. So what is the details? Let us find that. So details have 1 2 3 children's. This 3 children's, it is there, and we are making it as a column, so it is doing like this. And then this one we have made the this, after this wrap have 2 children, offer and div, offer and sin and the div. So this we have created as a row. Okay, so after this we have a timer also is there. So this timer we will give, style for the timer we'll give dot timer. And this, again we are using a lot of flexes, so you can see how powerful flex is. Display flex, text align is center, and flex direction is row. Anyways it is not required. And margin left is 3 rem, and gap is 30px, and color is red, and margin top is -5px. So save it. So the timer is coming like this. Okay, so after this, let us do for the this days, hours, minutes and seconds. So we'll first do for the days dot days, and background color is okay, this one. So we have a lot of good HTML colors, so we'll take one of it. Okay, padding is 11px, and font size is 22px. Okay, days, after that we'll have dot hours, comma, dot mins, comma, dot sex, SCS seconds, and see it is coming like this. So this nice background thing is coming. And after that this we have a S3 also, we have a offer also, and we have a P. So these are the last 3 things which we are going to do. So S3 is color is LIG light green dot offer is flex basis is 6 rem, 6 rem. P is text align is left. Save it. Now if we go, see, it is all coming like this only. Okay, this green is not good. This is much better. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, so now our thing is looking almost, the CSS part is done and is looking quite awesome. Now the JavaScript logic we need to add. Okay, so let us do the JavaScript logic now. And here I think, hope we added the JavaScript. Yeah, we have added the JavaScript. So the first thing which we need to do is there will be a counter, means counter. This kind of things are generally done with a interval thing, so the which can run every second. So we'll have first that. Let us first create it. Set interval is countdown, comma 1000 millisecond, which is actually 1 second. So this countdown, so this function we have to create, this countdown function we have to create. Function countdown, function countdown like this. Const today equal to new date. Okay, var offer date equal to new date. So whatever you can do, means as you all know that the Great Indian Amazon sale, it is ending on 30th of this month. So let's put that only 30th OCT. 30th OCT. Why not 31st OCT? Because yeah, it is ending on 31st. Last day of the month, 31st OCT 2021. Yeah, it is ending at that time. Okay. Okay, and then first thing we'll write, if today dot get seconds is double equal to offer date dot get seconds, means the if the offer is ending, then what? Offer date, this means that if the offer date is ending, then offer date equal to reset offer date. Actually we are going to make this function soon. So we are, if it is, if the offer is ending, so we're going to reset it. Okay, so this is what is done. Okay, so let us make this function itself reset offer date. Why to make it later on, so that we can, you can understand what is it. Function reset offer date. Okay, so this kind of trick is generally also done by a lot of e-commerce. Future date equal to new date I'm taking, and future date dot set date future date dot get date plus 15 I'm doing. So I'm getting the new date. So this is already, this will run on the 31st of October when the current date is similar. So what I'm doing, I'm adding 15 to it. Okay, and so this is a kind of trick. So this offer date will actually never end. in it. Okay, so this kind of trick you can do. Return future date, save it. Okay, so now let us complete this time, and after this const offer time equal to offer date, so that offer date is there, minus today. So minus today I'm doing, and then we are going to add the logic. So how to get the offer day which is there? So similar kind of logic actually I also have in one of my counter year end countdown timer. So if you want to learn means how this data is exactly coming, you can go to the blog which is linked here in this YouTube video. I will link a blog because this is created by my intern, the blog, and she have explained very good how this thing is there, means why it is like this. But the main thing is that is this means if I tell copy this, or else I will make some mistake. The main thing is this: 1 sec equal to 1000 millisecond and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, and like this. So that's the reason we are doing this. Offer day equal to means 1000 offer time. So whatever the offer time is there, we are dividing it by 1000, means 1 second is there, into 60 into 60 into 24. Offer hour we are doing it by modulus 24. Okay, of a minute by modulus 60, and this modulus 60, and mat.floor we are getting the we are removing the decimal. Okay, so after this is done, and then we are going to do const days el equal to document dot get element by id, which element by id, which is days left. So days left we are going to do days left, and then days el dot inner html equal to offer days. So this equal to this offer days. Okay, so similarly we have to do it for, hopefully I don't do some mistake, because I generally do mistakes in like this. So second one is hours, no, hours left is okay. Hours left is this, and this one will be hours el, and see, I'm again making that mistake, hours el, and this one will be offer hours, and let me do it by manually only, means hours means it is means el, it is means left, it is means el is offer means, and this is sex el left offer sex. Okay, so save it, and if everything is right, this is the moment of truth. If everything is right, we'll get it. Okay, so let's open the moment of truth, and it is working fine, and the seconds are moving. Okay, seconds are moving, exactly 10 days are remaining, the seconds are moving fine, and all of these things are good. Okay, and everything is perfect. Okay, everything is perfect. So And with this, we will end today's live stream. Again, it was a shorter live stream, but as I have told, so I am doing a daily live stream. So this will be shorter, but yeah, most of people, I had recently ran a poll, because now I can run poll on YouTube, and people are saying that they want JavaScript projects and they want React projects. So this is what I am doing, and a lot of people have also told me that they want some HTML CSS projects also. So those things will also be done. So HTML, everybody wants project, HTML CSS project, JavaScript project. So HTML CSS project they want from front end mentor side. Okay, so those things will also be there, front end mentor side, JavaScript projects, and React projects are also coming soon, but it will take some time. So with this, I will end today's stream. As you all know, I'm full-time JavaScript trainer, and I have got a full stack training coming soon this Monday, for especially for working professional, because it will be done late in the night from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. and it will be completely from scratch, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And I have got students who are not from computer science background joining that because they wanted to be a developer. And in today's world, anyone can be a developer. Just they have to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js, and that is my guarantee that they will get a job. If they don't get a job, that is the problem, is that they didn't learn it. If they learn it, they will get a job. That is my surety, that is my commitment also. If they do my course correctly, I will give them job. It is not like that from any background. If they are there, I will give them job, because if you just search for React.js, you will know how many jobs are there. There are more jobs than there are people out there. So with this, I'll end today's stream, and link for my upcoming courses and ongoing courses will be there in the link for the description for this video. You can check them out. Thank you. Thank you.